Today on Jane's Corner, we're going to prepare delicious and healthy carrot banana muffins.
Banana muffins right in your air fryer. So easy and in a matter of minutes. Stick around to discover the special ingredients that makes these carrot banana muffins so healthy and irresistibly delicious. You'll need 1 cup finely grated carrots. You can grate the carrots manually using a cheese grater or use a food processor for convenience. You'll also need 2 large, very ripe bananas. I have 2 bananas here, but they're not ripe enough for baking. So I'm going to air fry them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. And they're done. Well, perfect. They're actually what we need. Peel the bananas and place them in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Mash the bananas with a spatula, making sure you have at least 1/2 cup mashed bananas. Add 1 cup grated carrots, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/3 cup sugar-free maple syrup, and for that hint of molasses flavor, I've added 1/4 cup stevia brown sweetener. Add 1/4 cup buttermilk and 1 1/4 cups white whole wheat flour. Add 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Also add 1/4 cup raisins or 1/4 cup walnuts. Stir the mixture until just combined. Do not overmix or you'll end up with tough muffins. To transfer the muffin batter into the liners, use a spoon or better yet, use an ice cream scoop for convenience. Once you're done, place the muffin liners in the air fryer basket, making sure there's enough space in between the muffin liners. Air fry the carrot banana muffins at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes in the air fryer. So check your muffins for doneness. Your muffins are done when their top is light golden brown and when toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. These carrot banana muffins are light, moist, and fluffy. They're made with natural ingredients and sweeteners, and they are definitely a healthy breakfast option and/or the perfect snack for a busy day or night. If you enjoyed today's recipe, watch my next video on pumpkin spice muffins up next. Thanks for